Agent Maxine here. Now, our friend died from conversational shaving. Said that nobody's gonna understand about our pretty picture. Well, that's because we haven't done that one on this channel. Well, we'll go ahead and do it again. Now, this is our pretty picture. We think it's the prettiest picture in the entire world. Now we know it's no Rembrandt. It was made by what would be considered a primitive. A lady who was just learning how to make oil colors. But she was our friend, and we lost touch with her. We don't mean to lose touch with friends, but we do. Dave lived so many places and done so many things that he loses touch with friends sometimes. And the pretty picture always reminds us of all the friends we don't know anymore, just because we haven't been able to keep in touch with them. We have absolutely no idea on how to get in touch with this lady here. But we enjoy her pretty picture every day. Now, the video you're about to see is going to be called Lost Again. It's a rainy day, and there's nothing else to do. So we're gonna play a video game. Yay! Yes, we are. And we're going to play Lost Vikings 2. That's why we're lost again. We'll get to that in just a minute. Right now, we're just gonna enjoy our pretty picture. Enjoy. Well, we tried to play it, but it doesn't seem to want to stay in focus. It's actually a very hard game. Yeah. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. Video games are a lot of fun to play on a rainy day. A lot of fun with Agent Maxine. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell, cause we're dingling. And help Dave out. It's a rainy day, and he's talking to a puppet. And playing video games.